Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you are returning, thank you so much for the love and support. On this video, we'll be talking about Skeem Saam that was aired on 19 June. Maruti Maputuma was furious at his dynamite. He called her names, he's a gold digger and whatsoever. Fly and Goat held Magongwa's family hostage. They want drugs from Rachel and now they're involving her family. Magongwa told Fly and Goat story the drugs di ka suitcase ya Rachel nga ka moreng. And Rachel, she knows that these people are very dangerous. She ended up telling them the truth or the drugs di ka gardening. But Mikela fita gardening udika in a wrong place me leng gore a beya the drugs until ba mo threatena. Alfred Magongwa and Maruti Maputuma ended up fighting. And Fly was pissed. He pulled the trigger and they stopped fighting. Liteju, on the other hand, was trying to text someone and Fly saw him. He took Liteju's phone and threw it to the wall. Rachel is a problem child. She came back home with a lot of matata. Ghosts found the drugs and they took Rachel with them. They put her inside the boot and they left. Lehasa is regretting Hori. He had power, but he misused it. But he explained to Magongwa the reason behind his breaking things. And the reason was that he wants to make the place look like a real house-breaking scene. Liteju, Bushang and Mahlatse, they are traumatized. Greg got a phone for Lehasa, and Lehasa called Kwezi to make peace, but Kwezi dropped the call. Later, after what happened at Magongwa's place, Babele came. And he started to ask Maruti and Magongwa questions, but Maruti tried to protect his dynamite. Thank you so much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.